welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing an instructional video on how to attach the chain strap on this Dior holiday beauty pouch. So for this, I have decided to put the rivets right here on the side corner of the handle, right over here on the edge. So I could have done it on this side, but this part right here is very soft. So as you guys can see right here, this part, the handle, it's pretty thick, and it looks like the components of this pouch, it looks like they were reinforced together right here in the handle. So it feels pretty thick, and this is where I'm going to attach the stud ball D-ring. So what I did is actually measure it first with this stud right here. So I want to make it sure that this stud will align on this corner. So this should be aligned right here. So just want to make it sure it's not going to overlap on the edge of the handle, just like that. So you're going to measure it right there. So you also need a hole puncher, and this one I had it set up on number 2, so you don't really need a large hole. So if you put the rivets, and then you could easily maneuver it. So this is the number 2, and then you needed those chain strap of your liking. I also have this pearl right here. So first thing that we're going to do is, like I mentioned earlier, you have to measure it first. For me, I just eyeball it. So right now, as you guys can see, I have already punched a hole in it right here in this part. So what I'm going to do is insert this right here. So you guys can see right there. See that? And then I'm going to put this one right here. Yeah, it's actually very easy. So we're going to lock this together, and this is how it should look right here. So the nice thing about this is the rivets, the stud ball rivets, this would swivel. So yeah, and then this is the bottom. And like I've mentioned earlier, just want to make it sure that this part right here, it will be right at the edge of these. It looks perfect. So I got this one perfect. And then this is the anchor right here on the side. And then we are going to pull it up just like that. This one, the rivets, it is hardly touching the strap right here. So this is how it looks. And I'm also going to do it on the other side as well. Let me see. Is it really sturdy? I think so. I think it is sturdy. So yeah, I think so. I think this is the perfect placement for the rivet. Now I'm also gonna punch a hole on this side. Like I've mentioned earlier, you have to measure those rivets just right here. Right here, it's not gonna overlap the handle. Just right here on this side. And also guys, with these punch hole, you also have to clean it. Just make it sure that this one right here, so you clean it up, because the remnants from this material would actually would stick right here. So you also have to clean that one up. And then let me show you what I did on the other side. Then we are going to punch a hole like this. There you go. I just hold it for a few seconds. Then right there, you got to see that hole in there. Then you're gonna have to, and then you're going to put this right here. The same thing as what I did in the other side. Yeah, it's very easy to do it. Yeah. Then need to lock it. Okay. It's pretty easy. Just like that. Now we are done. So this is how it looks right there. So this is how it would look. So now we are going to attach those straps. So let me try with this pearl right here. So the strap is optional. You could just put any strap that you'd like. If you wanted to put some pearls in it, that is fine as well. So this is just how it looks with the pearl. It's very pretty, very, very pretty, just like that. And if you wanted to use it as a crossbody bag, we also have other options as well. I think the other one is shiny. This one is actually very shiny. This will match on the CD hardware. So let me try to put this on the other side. I might want to buy a rivet, the stud. I want to buy the one, the shiny ones, the shiny gold ones. So this is how it looks, just like that. It is so cute. Yeah, you could easily transform it as a crossbody bag. So just like that. I think this is so pretty. It's gorgeous. I love it. I love her transformation. So for this, I paid $73 plus the mascara, and I have a crossbody bag, and you could also use this one as a clutch as well, or a makeup bag. I think this is gorgeous, and yeah, it is definitely worth it. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.